Hi friends, have you created your own instance on EC2? If yes, then let's see how to connect to the instance from Windows. Before that, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's directly jump to the EC2 Instance tab. So this video will be specific to the Windows operating system. If you are a Mac user, then I have made another video for you. Link is given in the description. So now I'll show you 3 ways to connect to your instance. First way is to connect instance from your browser. Now let's see how. This is very simple and convenient. Make sure your instance is in running state. Select the instance. Click on the action button. Then click on connect. You will get redirect to another tab. Review your IP address and username. And click on the connect button. Here you go. It is so simple. Let's write some basic commands like ls to list down files and mkdir to make new directory. So this was the first way, very simple, but life is not always simple. You won't always have access to the AWS console. You might get only IP address, username and private key pair of an instance. In that case, if you have Windows, then you can use Putty or WinSCP to connect to the instance. So let's see how to connect to the instance using Putty. Download and install Putty from the given link. Open PuttyGen. PuttyGen is a Putty's key generation tool. Load the key pair that you have downloaded while creating an instance. The downloaded key pair is in .pem format and Putty and WinSCP supports .ppk format. So to convert PEM to ppk format, we use Putty's key generator tool. I'll select PEM file and then I'll click on Save Private Key. Provide any name with ppk extension. I'll give same name as PEM file and just change extension. Now close the key generator tool. The new file is created here. Now open Putty. Copy the public IP and paste here. Then enter 22 in port. Do you remember in the security group we have added rule with SSH TCP22? Yes, because of that I can access the instance through port 22. Now click on SSH. Auth and select the private key file for authentication. Go back to session and save the session. Now open the session. Your instance has opened. Type username. And wow, you have successfully logged in to the system. Type ls command and you will find same directory we had created previously. Awesome. Now the last way to access instance using WinSCP. Using WinSCP, we can transfer file from Ubuntu instance to local machine and vice versa. Download WinSCP from internet. Open WinSCP. If your instance is already configured in Putty, then there is an option to import those configurations from Putty. Clicking on OK, you can import the configuration and will be ready to use. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure manually. Select SFTP protocol. Enter host name, that is public IP address of your instance. Enter username. Click on advanced. Go to SSH Authentication tab and provide private key file here. And click on Login. We already have one folder here. Let's copy another one. And it's done. Now let's also check same file in Putty. And here you can see the file we have just added using WinSCP. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends, and most important, like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.